Welcome to Visual Presentation and Course Design, Best Practices, Tips, and Tricks. This presentation will highlight best practices in visual presentation and visual course design. Let's begin with presentation themes. When developing your color theme, you should use no more than 4 to 5 base colors for background colors, fonts, and accent colors. Keep this in mind no matter if you are using a PowerPoint, Keynote, or Prezi to develop your presentation. You can choose monochromatic, analogous, or warm colored themes, or cool colored themes, or whatever you so desire. You can use the color wheel shown in the image here to select these themes. When selecting color themes, you can consider using the Adobe Cooler, Color Levers, or Color Scheme Designer to select unified color themes. Now let's talk about font sizes. Headers should be at least 40 in size, and body text should be no less than 28, optimally 30, with a maximum size of 32. The text should be legible, and the content should not ramble, but simply highlight important points to be made. Text should be minimal. Take a look at the font styles on this page. On the left are sans serif fonts, and on the right are serif fonts. Can you see the difference between sans serif and serif? Do you know the difference? Notice the sans serif fonts on the left have no hooks or tails in the letters. Sans serif literally means one that does not have the small projecting features called serifs at the end of the strokes. Sans is derived from the French word sans, which means without. So now you're probably wondering when to use each of these fonts. Sans serif fonts should be used in headers. Remember, these are the ones without the fish hooks and tails. Serif fonts should be used in the body as demonstrated on this slide. Always use copyright-free imagery or obtain written express permission from the image owner in your presentations. Ideally, your picture should be no more than 100 kilobytes. Images larger than that should be compressed. Large images will create a larger presentation file, which can be difficult to transport and can take up server space when hosted online. Compressing the image makes the image size smaller. An ideal visual size for images should be around 300 by 300, depending on the shape of the image. When creating a course banner in your course, the ideal size for banners should be 600 by 800 pixels. When adding images to your course, make sure that you include alt tags, which describe the images. Alt tags provide text description of the image and help to make your presentation accessible. When creating video course lectures, they should never exceed 20 minutes. The optimal time for videos that you will want to include in your course or in your presentation should just optimally be between 5 and 15 minutes long. So that includes this brief presentation on course and presentation design. Happy building!